This is Cat C here, just real quick showing the 4-port USB KVM switch here. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like basically. This is what the other side will look like. So you have the console stuff here. Alright. VGA and the USBs, and then you have CPU 4, 3, 2, and 1. So 1 and 4 actually plug in from the unit. That's how it gets power. Or if you just want to do 3 or 4, that's how it's going to get its power. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put it there. And I'll show you how it works. So to use this unit, you're going to first come over here where scroll lock is on a Windows machine, and you're going to hit it once, and you're going to hit it twice. Well, actually, let's redo that. 2, and then you'll see it doing this. So, and then you just press enter, and it'll swap screens for you here. So let's do it again. You're looking for that on a keyboard. Then you press enter. And it swapped. Yeah, it swapped over. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay, it's doing that. Alright, so here's the screen. I'm going to press enter. It should pop up in theory. We could go ahead and try one more time. So it's doing its little flashy part. Okay, yeah. I came up with another one. I'll hit enter. Okay, and we got Windows. Okay, so that's how you use the IOGear KVM switch. Thank you.